how to log in to your Crazy Domains email. So if you guys would like to go ahead and log in into your Crazy Domains email, this tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this real quick. All we need to do first is to go on over your browser and then access webmail.crazydomains.com. Now this is going to change depending on where country you're currently at. In my country, as you can see, I do have this .ph onto the end of that website. You could actually go ahead and just try this out yourselves and see where it redirects you, of course, depending on where you live in. Now once that is done, I want you to go on over and enter your email address that you have linked with Crazy Domains, as well as the password entailed with that. Now tap on login. Once you're done, basically what you should do next is, well, you could actually now access and log in using your email on Crazy Domains. It's that easy, guys. That is all for this video. If again that you'd like to go ahead and use Crazy Domains for your needs, I do have links to this in the description box down below. So just go ahead and just tap on that so you could get started. Essentially, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe and take care.